Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hey there, food explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we dive deep into the flavors, stories, and cultures behind the world's most iconic dishes. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just someone who loves to eat, this channel is all about exploring food through the lens of history, tradition, and culture. Today, we're about to take you on a journey through the heart of Asia. From the fiery, complex flavors of Thailand to the delicate, flavorful dishes of Japan, Asia is a continent bursting with culinary treasures. If you're planning to travel or simply looking to broaden your food horizons, these classic Asian dishes are ones you absolutely cannot miss. Let's get started and uncover the delicious, timeless classics that have shaped Asian cuisine. 1. Japan Ramen, a bowl of comfort. Originating in China and eventually adapted by the Japanese, ramen is now an iconic dish that can be found in almost every corner of the country. Its rich broth, hearty noodles, and variety of toppings make it a satisfying meal at any time of the day. The beauty of ramen lies in its broth whether it's the savory, creamy tonkatsu made from simmered pork bones, or the light and refreshing shio ramen. The combination of sliced pork, soft-boiled eggs, nori seaweed, and other toppings, like bamboo shoots and green onions, creates a flavor-packed experience that will transport you straight to the heart of Kyoto, Tokyo, or Hokkaido. No matter where you are in Japan, ramen is a dish that brings comfort and warmth, perfect for any traveler looking to experience authentic Japanese cuisine. 2. Thailand. Pad Thai, a stir-fry with history. When it comes to Thailand, one dish that everyone must try is Pad Thai. This beloved stir-fried noodle dish with its mix of sweet, salty, sour, and spicy flavors is a favorite worldwide. But behind its widespread popularity is a story of Thai nationalism and culinary ingenuity. Pad Thai is said to have been introduced in the 1930s, during the reign of King Rama VII, when the Thai government sought to promote a national identity after the country changed its name from Siam to Thailand. It became a symbol of Thai pride, quickly catching on as a national dish. At its core, Pad Thai features stir-fried rice noodles with eggs, tofu, and shrimp, though chicken and pork are often used as well. And it's topped with a sprinkling of crushed peanuts, lime wedges, and bean sprouts for a delightful crunch. 3. China. Peking duck, a royal dish. For centuries, Peking duck has been a staple of Chinese royal cuisine. Originating from Beijing, this dish is not just food, which is served with delicate pancakes, hoisin sauce, and scallions. Every bite is a balance of textures and flavors, and the preparation process itself is an art form. Traditionally, Peking duck is cooked by hanging the duck in an oven and roasting it until the skin becomes wonderfully crispy. The dish is typically served in two parts. First, the skin and meat are sliced and served with pancakes. Then the remaining meat is often stir-fried with vegetables. The combination of crispy skin and tender meat with the sweetness of hoisin sauce is what makes this dish so irresistible. For a true taste of Beijing, head to one of the traditional Peking duck restaurants in the city, such as the famous Quanjude or Da Dong, to experience this historic dish in its most authentic form. From India, butter chicken, a creamy classic. Butter chicken, or murg makhani, is one of India's most well-known dishes. Renowned for its creamy, flavorful sauce and tender chicken. Created in the 1950s at Moti Mahal in Delhi, the dish was an accidental discovery. It's said that the restaurant's chefs mixed leftover chicken with a creamy tomato-based sauce. And the rest, as they say, is history. The secret to its success lies in the rich, velvety sauce made from tomatoes, butter, cream, and a blend of aromatic spices like garam masala, cumin, and cardamom. The chicken is marinated in a spiced yogurt mixture before being grilled or roasted, which gives it a smoky flavor that pairs perfectly with the rich sauce. Whether you're enjoying it in Delhi, Mumbai, or any other part of India, butter chicken is an absolute must-try for anyone seeking to experience the heart of Indian cuisine. 5. Vietnam. The banh mi sandwich is a testament to Vietnam's history as a crossroads of cultures. This iconic sandwich blends traditional Vietnamese ingredients with French colonial influence, creating a unique fusion of flavors that's both hearty and refreshing. The key to a perfect banh mi lies in the baguette, which is a nod to the French legacy in Vietnam. The bread is light and crispy, perfectly holding the fillings inside. Inside, you'll typically find a combination of grilled pork, chicken, or pea, topped with pickled carrots, daikon, cilantro, and a dash of chili sauce. It's a portable and flavorful meal that has become a symbol of modern Vietnamese street food. A visit to Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi isn't complete without stopping at a banh mi stand to enjoy this tasty sandwich. 6. Korea. Bibimbap. A colorful harmony, bibimbap, a bowl of rice topped with a variety of vegetables, meat, often beef, a fried egg, and spicy gochujang Korean chili paste is one of Korea's most iconic dishes. It's a true reflection of the Korean philosophy of balance and harmony in food. Each ingredient is carefully selected to create a colorful, nutritious, and flavorful dish. The beauty of bibimbap lies in its flexibility. You can make it with whatever vegetables are in season, and the choice of meat can vary from beef to chicken or even tofu for a vegetarian version. The key, however, is the gochujang, which adds depth and spice to the dish. The dish is often served in a hot stone bowl known as dulset bibimbap, which gives the rice at the bottom a crispy texture, adding an extra layer of flavor and texture to the meal. Whether you're in Seoul or a small Korean restaurant in your hometown, bibimbap is a must-try for anyone wanting to experience the true essence of Korean cuisine. 7. Indonesia nasi goreng, a flavorful fried rice. Nasi goreng is Indonesia's version of fried rice, and it is, without a doubt, one of the most beloved dishes in the country. What makes nasi goreng so special is the way it's seasoned. Sweet soy sauce kecap, manis, gives the rice a slightly sweet flavor, while chili, garlic, and shallots add depth and spice. The dish is typically served with a fried egg on top, along with satay skewers, and sometimes karapek crispy crackers. Nasi goreng is the perfect dish for any time of the day, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's often made with leftovers, which makes it a convenient and delicious meal that's both comforting and satisfying. No trip to Bali or Jakarta is complete without tasting this dish, which is often served at street food stalls or in local restaurants across Indonesia. 8. Malaysia. Laksa, a soul-warming soup. Laksa is a spicy noodle soup that combines elements of Chinese, Malay, and Thai cuisine. This dish has several variations, but the two main types are curry laksa, which features a creamy, coconut-based broth, and asam laksa, which has a tangy sour broth made from tamarind and fish. In both variations, the noodles are typically served with prawns, chicken, or tofu, along with hard-boiled eggs, mint, and bean sprouts. The complexity of the flavors in lax, spicy, creamy, tangy, and savory makes it a satisfying meal. Whether you're in the vibrant city of Penang, where Assam laksa reigns supreme, or in Kuala Lumpur, enjoying a bowl of curry laksa, this dish is a must-try for anyone visiting Malaysia. 9. Philippines lechon, the king of roasted pork. Lechon, or roasted whole pig, is a celebration dish that holds a special place in Filipino culture. It's often served at major festivities such as weddings, birthdays, and Christmas. The pig is marinated with a blend of spices and herbs, then slowly roasted over an open flame for hours, resulting in incredibly tender meat with a crispy golden skin. The dish is typically served with a side of sarsa, a sweet and tangy liver sauce, and is often enjoyed with rice and other traditional Filipino dishes. Lechon is a symbol of abundance and is one of the most iconic dishes in the Philippines. A trip to Cebu or Manila wouldn't be complete without tasting the legendary lechon, which has become an essential part of Filipino celebrations. 10. Singapore. Chili crab, a spicy delight. Chili crab is one of Singapore's most famous dishes, known for its bold, spicy, and sweet flavors. This dish features crab cooked in a rich tomato-based sauce with a kick of chili, garlic, ginger, and eggs. It's messy, but the delicious sauce is so irresistible that it's worth getting your hands dirty for. Chili crab is often served with mantou fried buns, which are perfect for soaking up the delicious sauce. The dish is deeply intertwined with Singapore's multicultural heritage, incorporating flavors from Chinese, Malay, and Indian cuisines. For an authentic experience, head to one of the renowned seafood restaurants in Singapore's Chinatown to enjoy this iconic dish. A culinary adventure across Asia, from the silken broths of Japan to the bold spices of India and the street food delights of Thailand. Asia offers an endless array of classic dishes that will excite your taste buds and expand your culinary knowledge. These dishes have not only stood the test of time, but they continue to evolve and inspire food lovers around the world. Whether you're planning to travel or simply want to recreate these dishes in your kitchen, make sure to add these classic Asian dishes to your food journey. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful adventure through Asia's finest dishes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more culinary tales and food adventures from around the globe. Until next time, happy eating!